Hello everyone, my name is David Richard from Weekly Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something exciting to talk about that can be a game changer for every car enthusiast and DIY mechanic out there. We'll be diving into the world of the ANCEL FX9000 OBD2 Scanner, a powerful tool that can help you diagnose and maintain your vehicle. The ANCEL FX9000 OBD2 Scanner is a professional automotive diagnostic tool that can be used to diagnose and repair a wide range of vehicles. It is equipped with a 7-inch LCD touchscreen, a powerful quad-core processor, and a variety of features that make it easy to use and effective. Some key features of the ANCEL FX9000 OBD2 Scanner. All-system diagnosis. The FX9000 can scan all available control modules on a vehicle, including the engine, ABS, transmission, seniors, and TPMS systems. This allows you to identify and troubleshoot problems with any system on your car. 26+ reset services. The FX9000 can perform a variety of reset and maintenance tasks, such as oil reset, electronic parking brake reset, steering angle calibration, and TPMS reset. This saves you time and money by eliminating the need to take your car to a dealership or repair shop for these services. One-click update. The FX9000 can be updated quickly and easily over Wi-Fi. This ensures that you have the latest software and vehicle coverage. 7-inch touchscreen display. The FX9000 features a large, high-resolution touchscreen display that makes it easy to navigate the menus and view diagnostic. Multiple language support. The FX9000 supports multiple languages, including English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Chinese, Japanese, and Korean. In addition to these key features, the FX9000 also offers a number of other useful features, such as DTC lookup. The FX9000 includes a built-in DTC lookup library that provides detailed information on diagnostic trouble codes. Live data streaming. The FX9000 can display real-time data from various vehicle sensors, which can be helpful for diagnosing problems and monitoring system performance. Freeze-frame data. The FX9000 can capture freeze-frame data, which is a snapshot of the vehicle's data at the time a diagnostic trouble code was set. This can be helpful for identifying the cause of a problem. The ANCEL FX9000 OBD2 Scanner is a powerful and versatile diagnostic tool that is ideal for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. It is easy to use and provides comprehensive diagnostic information. Here are the steps on how to use the ANCEL FX9000 OBD2 Scanner. Locate the OBD port of your vehicle. It is usually located under the dashboard, near the steering wheel. Plug the ANCEL FX9000 OBD2 Scanner into the OBD port. Turn on the ignition of your vehicle. The scanner will automatically detect your vehicle and start the diagnostic process. Follow the instructions on the scanner to diagnose your vehicle. Here are some pros and cons of the ANCEL FX9000. Pros: comprehensive system coverage, powerful diagnostic functions, user-friendly interface, free software updates, affordable price. Cons: some features may be limited on certain vehicles. Overall, the ANCEL FX9000 is a powerful and versatile OBD2 scanner that offers a wide range of features and capabilities. It is an ideal tool for professional mechanics, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone who wants to be able to diagnose and repair their own car. Make sure to check the links in the description for more information and where to purchase these tools. We hope you found this review helpful. If you have any questions or experiences with the ANCEL FX9000 OBD2 Scanner, please share them in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.